Hey guys, what's going on? Today I will be doing a video on how to create a Hackintosh from start to finish. This will be the first video in a three-part series on how to create a Hackintosh from start to finish. So for this video, which is part one of this series, we will be focusing on acquiring all the necessary hardware to make this happen. So the very first thing, of course, is you need a computer. The best one to get is a ThinkPad X220. The very first ThinkPad that I done in my previous videos is a ThinkPad X220, and I got it from eBay for $38. I did not know at the time that I bought it that it came with an IPS screen, which is fabulous. It did not came with a hard drive, which I don't care because I slap in a SSD in there. So that was real cool. That was a great price, free shipping and everything. So the criteria you want to get is probably want to get the most RAM you could possibly get at a good price. Like for example, this one's very good, an X220, got an i5, 2.5 gigahertz and 8 gigs of RAM, no hard drive, perfect, right? It's a 2-day auction and $66. So it's a little out of my range, but you could search for longer for the auction at the price that you want, but it's going to take longer, of course, and you got to snipe it, of course. But if you don't want to wait, you probably want to auction one that's probably around $60 to $80. The going rate, I think, is around 70, I think. But, you know, if you want to go 8 gigs, you're going to have to pay a little more. I expect this to go up at least probably $100. Given that 66 right now and 2 days to go. So but yeah, you could search for actually ending soonest, and then you could specify like if you want SSD. If it has an SSD in there, you're gonna pay more, so that's just a given. You know, RAM size, all that good stuff. Like free shipping, you can search for that, but you know, sometimes that's a little, I would say, not available. So I search for like 0 to 60. There you go. That will narrow down all your search. Say I'm okay with 4 gigs of RAM. You can always add it later. So if you could get one for like $30 to $40, I think that's a good deal with free shipping. I try to steer away from the one that charges like $25 or $20 for shipping. You know, come on now. That's for shipping. Usually, I aim for like $10 to $15, maximum of $15. If it's say 20, I just scroll by it. Like this one, $44, $20. You're looking at like $65 right now, and it's still 3 days left. So not gonna worry about that one. So. But, you know, like I said, if your budget is higher, go for it. You know, that's all personal preference. I like to keep mine as low as possible. It's like this one has parts only, so you gotta be careful with it. If you're gonna go for something like that, like $30 with $12 shipping, so what? That's $42. Make sure you just read the parts or the description. Make sure that it's fully functional and stuff like that. Sometimes they say it's boot to BIOS only and it's not been tested. You gotta take a gamble on that. And if the seller is reputable, go for it. I mean, that's how mine worked out, and it worked out fine. So get that, or get one of the ThinkPads that you want at a good price. It'll work great. So the other things that you need is a wireless card that will work with Mac OS once you put the operating system on the ThinkPad. The wireless card that's factory, that come with the factory, does not work with Mac OS. So, and we'll get that, we'll get more information as we go into the part 2 series. But for now, we have to get the Dell DW1510. You could search for the price and lowest shipping, because it's just a few bucks. We don't need an auction for that. Be sure to not get ones from China, even though it says it's $4 and free shipping. My experience is that if you read the shipping date, it's like 3 to 5 weeks before you get it. I have had the experience where I bought some keycaps and it came within a week. So it varies. So like I said, it depends on what you want. So I usually gloss over that and get one like this one here. Free shipping, $5.50, perfect. Grab one of these cards and you're good to go. That's it. These are the 2 things you need to get moving on the Hackintosh. So I'll conclude this video here. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Definitely subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, because I will be dropping the second video on Hackintosh very soon. Guys, like this video. It keeps me motivated to keep on creating these videos for you guys. So, alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.